Hi guys, my name's Daniel. I'm the Inbound Marketing Executive at Flaunt Digital, and today I'm going to be sharing 7 time-saving tools for digital marketers. So number 1 is Dashlane. What this is, it's a password manager tool. So if you want to log onto a website, for example Twitter or Facebook or anywhere else, usually you'd have to type in your password, your username, whatever other login details there might be. But Dashlane just stores all of your passwords, it encrypts it inside its servers, so it's all safe. Obviously with a lot of password management tools there is that kind of issue with trust, but yeah, Dashlane, read the reviews for yourself. So yeah, all you need to do is log in with 1 password to Dashlane. Whenever you visit a website, it will log you in automatically. And if you've got several usernames, which for example on Twitter could be an issue, you just click on and it comes up with a list of all of your different passwords for that website, and you can just log in like that with a click of a button. Yeah, it saves you loads of times in the long run, loads of effort in remembering all your passwords as well. So the second tool we're going to talk about today is Buffer, more specifically the Chrome extension tool for Buffer. So if you haven't heard of Buffer before, what this is, it's just a social scheduling tool like Hootsuite, but the Chrome extension tool in particular, you can use that, for example, if you're scrolling through a website and you find an article that you think your social followers might like or might be relevant to them, then you literally just click on the Chrome extension in the top corner. It comes up with a pop-up box. You can type your message in, you can customize it for each different social platform, choose which social platforms you want to share it to, and yeah, schedule it in advance or post it straight away. It's really useful if you don't have much time to craft a weekly schedule for social media content or anything like that. And if you use it in collaboration with ToDo List, it can save you a whole load of time in the long run. So the next time-saving tool I'm going to talk about, number 3, is If This Then That, otherwise known as IFTTT. What this is, it's a marketing automation tool. What you can do, you can bring together what they call recipes, and it basically integrates different websites, different apps. So for example, you could partner together your weather app and Twitter, and you can say if it's sunny on a certain day, then to post a tweet saying, "Have a great day everyone, go out and enjoy the sun." Just an example off the top of my head, obviously. And yeah, it can save you loads of time in the long run. There'll be loads and loads of blog sites that have got like top 50 IFTTT recipes that you can go through, see if any are relevant for you. So tool number 4 that I'm going to talk about today is Google Analytics. A lot of you will probably already be familiar with this. All it is really is an analytics tool, probably one of the most advanced free ones around. It gives you loads of insight about your web traffic data, where that traffic has come from, what kind of demographics there are, loads and loads of information. As I said, it's probably one of the most advanced analytic tools out there at the moment, especially one of the most advanced free ones. Doesn't take long to set up, and it's probably one of the essentials for any digital marketer. Alright, so the next tool I'm going to talk about today is something called Canva. What it is, if you put together a lot of graphic designs or anything for your social media, or an image for your blog or anything like that, it's just great to quickly go on, put together a quick design, especially if you don't have advanced skills to use the Adobe suite like Photoshop. It's free as well. I think there's a pro version as well, which offers you more features, more designs and assets and stuff like that. But yeah, it's great, it saves you a load of time. Yeah. Okay, so tool number 6 that I'm going to talk about today is something called Grammarly. Personally, I would say that it's always best to get someone to proof your work, but if you don't have the time for that, or if you don't have someone to actually proof your work, this can be a brilliant tool. Even if you do have someone proofing your work, it can be great just to use this just to double check your grammar, your spelling. Basically what it does, it just goes through all of your blog content or anything, or social posts. There's a Chrome extension tool for this as well. And yeah, it just has a look at the grammar and the readability of everything and just gives you suggested improvements or spelling mistakes or grammar mistakes or anything else like that. And another great thing about Grammarly, especially if you send a lot of important emails, obviously, as I mentioned, the Chrome extension tool, you can use this to just basically analyse your emails, just double check that you haven't made any spelling mistakes, grammar mistakes. Yeah, it's a great tool, and I'm pretty sure it's free as well. So tool number 7, the last tool that I'm going to talk about today, is something called ToDo List. Essentially, what it is, it's a task management tool, a to-do list, an online to-do list basically. My colleague Lee actually spoke about it on a tutorial, a review video the other week, so go check that out above somewhere. Yeah, it's great. Just streamline what you're doing basically, helps you keep track of what tasks you've got on. Yeah, save you a load of time in the long run. Yeah. So yeah, that's my 7 time-saving tools for digital marketers. I hope you've enjoyed the video. I hope you find them all useful. If you've got any other time-saving tools that you think would be useful, feel free to drop a comment below or let us know on socials. Yeah, thanks for watching. See you later. So tool number 4 that I'm going to talk about, a lot of you will probably know this already, is Google Analytics. Google.